BJP slamming Lalu's Halloween bash. BJP reminds Lalu called Mahakumbh Faltu. BJP has now come out to say why mock Kumbh and cheer Halloween. Lalu marks Halloween with grandkids. There's a video that we are in fact bringing to you on our screens where we can see the kids in costume and Lalu Yadav in fact celebrating Halloween with the grandkids. And the BJP has now come in to attack this very video and says that this is peak Lalu hypocrisy.
Good girl. Nakatani. Say hello. दीदी हटे ना
लीजिए डाल लीजिए इसके बास्केट
झोला पे डालें
डालना इनके झोले में कैटी दिखाओ
हाँ डाल दे
कैटी
कम कैटी यू ऑल्सो कम कैटी कम
बास्केट चॉकलेट्स
chocolate
इन योर बास्केट
chocolate oh हाँ good girl
क्या मांग करेंगे कुंभ में सर जिस तरह से भीड़ बढ़ रही है?
अरे सब कुंभ का क्या कोई मतलब है, फालतू है कुंभ। चलो
क्या मांग करेंगे कुंभ में सर जिस तरह से भीड़ बढ़ रही है?
अरे सब कुंभ का क्या कोई मतलब है, फालतू है कुंभ। चलो
Viewers, we just took you back to the very remarks that was made by Lalu Prasad Yadav in the month of February, earlier this year itself, when he was asked a question with regards to Mahakumbh. And that time, as you just heard, he has said that Kumbh doesn't hold any meaning. What's the point of all of this? And that is the exact remark which the BJP has now quoted, slamming his Halloween celebrations, asking why is he celebrating Halloween when he had called Kumbh Faltu. Rohit Singh joins us on the broadcast to in fact bring us some more context into this very story. Rohit, very good afternoon to you. You know, we've reached a stage now when every move is being watched by each side of the politicians as to what are they saying, what are they doing, and this is one such instance. We see Lalu Yadav celebrating Halloween with his grandkids on one side, which is now become a major political flashpoint between the two parties, wherein the BJP has come out to slam him and quote him from back in February when he had called Mahakumbh Faltu.
Well, yes, Shreya, the context is very simple and clear. Elections. Elections are around the corner. Voting is going to take place on 6th and 11th. So that's the important context. And that is why we are seeing that whatever you do, whatever action you do, whatever you speak is being viewed from the lens of elections. And this is why on 31st of October, when Lalu Prasad was celebrating Halloween with his grandchildren, now the video of this celebration has gone viral. And the BJP has also now used this video as an opportunity to hit out at Lalu Prasad Yadav, questioning him why did he not go to Kumbh, which was celebrated in fact in December, January, February earlier this year, and why didn't he go to Kumbh to take a holy dip? And where he was questioned that why isn't he going, he said it is a faltu thing. वो फालतू चीज होता है, कौन है, कुंभ सब फालतू है. This is what he had said. So Kumbh, a festival celebrated by Hindus, is supposed to be faltu for Lalu Prasad Yadav.
That is the very
and
quote that
Halloween,
Lalu Prasad had said, which the BJP is now referring to. Rohit, thank you for putting that into context for our viewers here.